What's up, guys? Now in this video, guys, we will talk about the importance of reading Bible. As you can see, guys, reading Bible is very important because sometimes in our time people are just joking around, okay, and they forgot the very important values that is being taught by God and by our Lord Jesus Christ in the Bible. Because sometimes our life, we think we know it all, okay, we think we are very smart, we're very intelligent, and we are very powerful, but in everything there is God that will remind us to be humble and to always thank Him in everyday life because our life is a gift from God. And sometimes because you are very, what we call this, very boastful, and then you forgot who you are or where you came from, and God will remind you to be humble because in the verses in the Bible they said that those are humble will be exalted and those exalted will be humble. So the Bible will remind us to do what is right because yes, sometimes we read Bible or we hear that good news, but because our brain is designed to forget things as time passed by, so we forgot, and then we forgot, then we do bad things because we forgot the good knowledge we learned from the Bible. So it is advisable to read every day Bible, okay? Not every day. Oh, you have time, you can read so that you are reminded from time to time to do good, okay? And to remind yourself that you must be humble and always thank God every day for the blessing of your life, your good health, your family have good health, you have a house, you have internet, okay? You have food in your table every day. So that's it, guys. Okay, God bless us all. Bye-bye.